Good morning, learners. My name is Mr. Serrao, as you all know. So, in today's lecture, we'll be focusing on the 9 provinces which are found in South Africa. So, before we could go further, can I show you guys this video, which is based on the 9 provinces which are found in South Africa? Okay, now that you've seen the video, so I would like us to go back into the content. So can I please share my slides with you guys? So like I've mentioned before, so today we'll be focusing on the 9 provinces which are found in South Africa. So those are your learning outcomes. After this session, you should be aware that South Africa has 9 provinces. So you should be familiar with all 9 provinces, and you'll be able to name and locate every province on the map at the end of this session. Okay. Question. So, can someone name 3 provinces which are found in South Africa, which were shown in the video? Correct, Mr. Menisi. It's Gauteng, Limpopo, and Mpumalanga. Those are 3 of the 9 provinces that we have in South Africa. Is there anyone who would like to add more on that? Okay, no one. Can we proceed? Okay, like I've said, South Africa has 9 provinces, which are Limpopo, Gauteng, Mpumalanga, Northwest, Free State, KwaZulu-Natal, Northern Cape, Eastern Cape, Western Cape. Now we are going to start with Limpopo. So Limpopo is one of the 9 provinces. So the first one is Limpopo is on the northernmost province of South Africa. So the name Limpopo, it was found from the Limpopo River. The capital city of Limpopo is Polokwane. The borders which are found in Limpopo is the Botswana border, is the Zimbabwe border, is the Mozambique border. The national airport, the international airport which are found in Limpopo, it's Polokwane International Airport. Limpopo has no harbors. The national roads which are found in Limpopo, it's N1, N2, N3, N11, N12, N13, N14, N15, N16, N17, N18, N19, ND1, R37, R33. So the gateways which are found in Limpopo is Groblersdal border post with Botswana, the Beitbridge border post with Zimbabwe. Major mountains is Broadberg Range, Stauffenberg, Waterberg, and Drakensberg. Rivers which are found in Limpopo is the Limpopo River, is the Oliphant River, is the Letaba River, is the Mogolokwane River, is the Mokolo River, Motale River. Then which are found in Limpopo. What is it? Ebenezer Dam, Home Dry Dam, Flop, Ushielo Dam, Middelbeek Dam, Mudemulle Dam, and the Hoop Dam. So now we're moving to Gauteng. So Gauteng is one of the South African provinces. The name means place of gold. It's a Sotho language where it is located. It's high veld. Despite being the smallest of South Africa's 9 provinces, Gauteng has the highest population. Okay, I see a question here. Yes, Mrs. Molambo. Okay, South Africa has high population due to the fact that people move from their place to another place because of push factors and pull factors, for instance. So majority of people they come to Gauteng as there are many jobs opportunities. So they relocate from rural to urban areas. I hope I've answered your question, Miss. Okay. Anyone else? Okay. Shall we proceed? Capital city, it's Pretoria. Borders which are found in Gauteng. There are no borders in Gauteng. International airports, OR Tambo International Airport, Lanseria International Airport. So even South Africa, even Gauteng does not have harbors too. So highways which are found in Gauteng, it's N1, N3, N4, N12, N14, N17, NR, and my bad, N14. Yeah, N14 are international, national highways that run through Gauteng. Gateways. Gauteng is known as the gateway to Africa, since it is a home to OR Tambo International Airport, one of the busiest airports in Africa. The major mountains which are found in Gauteng is the Magaliesberg mountain range is located to the north of Gauteng province. The rivers which are found in Gauteng is the Vaal River that runs along the southern border of Gauteng, forming part of the border between Gauteng and the Free State province. So dams which are found in Gauteng is the Vaal Dam, which is situated on the Vaal River, which is one of the largest dams in South Africa, and it's located within the boundaries of Gauteng. Now we are moving to Mpumalanga. Mpumalanga, the way it is known as the place where the sun arises. And the name Mpumalanga, it's a Zulu name. It is in the eastern part of South Africa. It has a border with Swaziland and Mozambique. Okay. It embraces the Kruger National Park that is situated on the southern part, a significant nature reserve home to variety of animals, including the big game. Due to its lush subtropical vegetation, the province is famous Blade River Canyon, one of the biggest in the world, is referred to as a Grand Canyon. Borders which are found in Mpumalanga. It's Gauteng, Limpopo, Mozambique, and Swaziland. International airports which are found in Mpumalanga is Kruger Mpumalanga National International Airport, Skuza Skukuza, my bad, Skukuza Airport and Hendrik van Eyck Airport. Mpumalanga has no harbor. National highways which are found in Mpumalanga, it's N4, R40, R36, and R38. Gateways, Mpumalanga has no gateways. Major mountains which are found in Mpumalanga is the Drakensberg mountain, which is the famous mountain in Mpumalanga, Matchisberg and eh, Steenkamp, Steenkampsberg mountain. Rivers which are found in Mpumalanga, Crocodile River, Komati River, Sabai River, Oliphant River, and Blade River. The dams in Mpumalanga is the Witbank Dam, Buffalo Sport Dam, the Blade Port Dam, the Berlin Dam, and the Vegebom Dam. So now we are moving forward to another province, which is the Northwest. Northwest is an inland South African province that borders Botswana. Mountains in the northeast and Bushveld covered a scattered plant life describe landscape. Sun City, a luxurious resort with hotels, casinos, and water park with a large wave pool is in that province. Capital city is Mahikeng. It borders Botswana and Namibia. International airports which are found in Northwest is Mahikeng Airport. Northwest has no hub. National highways which are found in Northwest are as follows: N12, N18, N14. Gateways which are found in Northwest is the Magaliesberg Biosphere Reserves. Major mountains which are found in Northwest is that, as I was saying, major mountains is the Magaliesberg mountain range. Rivers which are found in Northwest, Crocodile River, Marico River. Dams which are found in Northwest is the Crosta Dam, Crocodile Spot Dam, and Swatregens Dam. So now we are moving to the next province, which is Free State. Free State is one of the South Africa. It is one of 9 provinces which are found in South Africa. Its capital city is Bloemfontein. It's also the seat of South Africa's court. The Boer Republic, known as the Orange Free State, later referred to as the Orange Free State Province. It is where it had all started in history. KwaZulu-Natal, the coastal South African province. It is famous for its beaches, mountains, and game-filled savanna. Black and white rhinos, lions, giraffes can be found in the northeastern Mfulukazi Park, a popular safari destination. Its capital city is Durban. Now we are moving to Northern Cape. Northern Cape is one of the 9 provinces of South Africa. It is highly recognized for its wildlife, precious stones, and desert landscapes. Along with Botswana, it shares Kalahari Transfrontier Park. After the division of the Cape Province in 1994, it was established. The capital city of Northern Cape is Kimberley. Now we are moving to Eastern Cape, one of the South Africa's provinces. East London and Port Elizabeth are two of its major cities. Its capital is Bishop. Now we are moving to Western Cape. The Western Cape is a South African province with coastal border the Indian and the Atlantic Ocean. Its capital city is Cape Town. It is known for its port city of Cape Town, set beneath Table Mountain, part of the national park of the same name. In Table Bay, Robben Island is the notorious prison that once held Mandela and is now a living museum. So, Renas, any questions which you would like to ask me? Yes, Western Cape, it's a hub. Usually, when you buy clothes in other countries, they are shipped with ships. So the harbors, most of the South African harbors are found down there around Western Cape, Eastern Cape parts, and KwaZulu-Natal. That's where South Africa receives their goods and transfer their goods. So learners, I have a homework for you today based on whatever I've just taught you. So can you please go home and do this homework? So the homework is very simple. You are going to list all the nine provinces which are found in South Africa. And question number two, you should give the smallest province which is found in South Africa. Then give the largest province which is found in South Africa. And the last question, you're going to use this map to identify all the provinces with the correct numbers. So we are done for today's class. Thank you, learners, for attending. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you.